Look, generally, humans can have 4 types of piles, and if you have any one of them, there's no need to panic anymore. After years of research, we have developed a medicine that can save you from pile surgery called Piles Matrix. Please follow the instructions to get the full benefits of the treatment. First, we have grade 1 piles, also known as internal piles. These are caused by applying too much pressure on the toilet seat. In most cases, they don't require any treatment, but sometimes they start to bleed. To cure this, undertake a 7-day course of Vein Restore. For the first 4 days, take 2 capsules half an hour after breakfast, 1 capsule after lunch, and then 2 capsules after dinner. Then, for the next 3 days, take 2 capsules each after breakfast and dinner. Next, we have grade 2 piles, where the pile's mass rubs against the stool and comes out, but retreats after a while. To cure this, take 1 capsule of Rectum Restore half an hour after breakfast, lunch, and dinner for 14 days. Take 2 capsules of Vein Restore half an hour after breakfast, 1 capsule after lunch, and then 2 capsules after dinner for the first 4 days. For the next 3 days, take 2 capsules each after breakfast and dinner. For better results, continue taking 2 capsules every night after 7 days and apply Piles Matrix Healing Gel on your piles masses. Grade 3 piles occur when 1 or more piles masses come out while passing stool, and they are so large that you must push them back in yourself, which can be quite painful. To cure this, follow the same treatment as for grade 2 piles. For better results, continue taking 2 capsules every night after 7 days. Progressing to grade 3 piles doesn't take long to develop into a grade 4 condition, which is the most painful condition where your piles are always protruding, causing constant irritation and pain, making it difficult to sit, walk, and even lie down. You will always feel something pricking. To cure this condition, follow the treatment for grade 3 piles and apply Piles Matrix Healing Gel 3 times daily. Also, do sitz baths 3 times a day. Then comes external piles, where piles masses form towards the outer area of the anal opening. This condition can be detected after passing stool and cleaning. To treat this, follow the treatment for grade 4 piles. Lastly, there are thrombosed piles, also known as bleeding piles, which occur when a clot forms in the hemorrhoidal vein, stopping blood flow. This is detected when you see blood in the stool. To cure this condition, follow the treatment for grade 4 piles and follow the Piles Matrix diet. This medicine is 100% Ayurvedic and has no side effects.
To order Piles Matrix, click on the link below and visit yogamanlab.com.